what you're looking at is the solar panel. This is the flexible solar panel that I showed in the other video. I'm going to attempt to put this on the roof today. As you can see here, for you, already your positive and negative is hooked up, so there's no fumbling around with hooking stuff up while you're on the roof, which is nice. These are the connectors that are going to be pulled through the roof. I grabbed a paddle bit. I'm going to use a 9/16 paddle bit, and it'll be just big enough, just a little bit bigger than the actual wire to be able to slip that through good. And what I'm going to do is caulk that up with some tar. So if you look at it, the very backing, it looks like it's got a tar type of glue that's on the back, and I do recommend that you use gloves. There's actually an installation PDF that's available on the site, and it tells you how to put this up correctly. Yeah, it's kind of sticky. That's the back portion of it, but I'm going to go ahead and roll this out and climb up on the roof. Hey guys, Pete from Mixcat. I just got out of the attic pulling those cables. Just be sure if you're going to do this project yourself that you have all the proper safety equipment. Read the install manual for these panels. Of course, I just kind of threw them up there for testing purposes right now, but I will go back through it and make sure everything's hooked up good and glued down where I'm not going to have any type of issue. Right now, as you can see on the clock, it's about 7:23. It's getting dark out. It's not too bright, but let me show you what I'm getting on the panels. This is the one I just pulled. 30 volts. out of that guy, and it's my grid tie inverter is only good for 24. I do have one that's going to be coming that actually will handle up to 54 volts. So let me grab my little 5-watt lights here, just to show you I'm at least getting 5 watts out of the panel. All right, I think that's positive. There you are. So yeah, we are getting 5 watts out of the panel at least, and it is dark out. So can't wait till it's daytime and we can test it for real. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this technology review. Just to give you guys kind of perspective, these guys are 16 foot, and you can see the 3 little panels that I set up on the top already. Zoom in. It's nice and flush mount. I actually tarred it directly to the roof, so I don't have to worry about any air getting below it and ripping the thing up. Really nicely made, and especially with the plastic instead of the glass. If I have a hailstorm, I don't have to worry about glass breaking and causing a hazard. So a lot safer, a lot more powerful. I can't wait to test this during the day and get back with you guys with the results. Hey guys, Pete with Mixcat. Today it's a little bit overcast outside, but it is a little sunny. You can see on my watt meter, I'm getting 118, 119 watts out of that panel. That's actually rated for 124. For it being gloomy out, that's pretty dang impressive if you ask me. Here's the new grid tie inverter that I got, and that's the high voltage one. He's going right directly into that, and it's going back into the electric through that panel. There you go. So yeah, that panel performs really, really well. If you're interested in buying one of these panels, my supplier has agreed to give us all a discount. If you look on Amazon, the Unisolars are actually going for $350. He's letting them go for $275 to all my YouTube friends. So if you're interested in taking advantage of that, just shoot me an email.